we have discussed exercise 4.2 first questions, in which root of the quadratic equation we have discussed. Now we are proceeding towards question number 3, in which questions are given in literature, and we have to follow the literature what he has told. We are discussing about the question number 3, exercise 4.2, question number 3. The question is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. In this question, simply it has been written that two numbers randomly. These two numbers, not written the consecutive number, the odd number, the even number, the prime number, nothing is written. It is randomly written that the numbers, two numbers whose sum is 27. First, we write the first number. The first number is x, and it is written that the sum of the number is 27. Now the second number obviously (27) minus x. This is second equation. This is the first equation. Now, from the question, the sum of the two numbers are how much? Are 27. It means the first number is, we have assumed x, and second number is 27 minus x. These are equal to 27. The first number is x and second number is 27 minus x is equal to how much? 182. It is given from the question. It is given in the question. The product is 122. The first number is x and the second number is 27 minus x. What will the result? I will solve it. 27x minus x square minus 182 is equal to 0. Am I right? Now we proceed ahead. We write this equation in such a way: minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. By taking common minus, so what will be the result? X square minus 27x plus 182 will be equal to 0. So then finally the equation will be x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0, because this minus will multiply by 0 and the result will be 0. Now we will have to factorize this 182 by factorizing 290, 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2, 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Now the result is 7 to 14 and 13. These are the factors. X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. We will take common x. Finally the x minus 14 and minus 13 common, then x minus 14 is equal to 0. And the last x minus 14 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. If x minus 14 is 0, then x is equal to how much? 14. And if x minus 13 is 0, then x will be 13. So these are the numbers 14 and 13. But we will prove it from the equation. If we consider, because x have two values 14 and 13, we will put both value in x and we will find the final number in the equation. If you consider x is equal to 14, then the second number will be how much? 27 minus x, 27 minus 14 is how much? 13. And if we consider x is equal to 13, then what will be the number? What will be the number? 27 minus x is equal to 27 minus 13 is equal to 14. So if you will consider x is equal to 14, then the number will 13, and if you will consider the x 13, then the number will be 14. Eventually it came in result that 13 and 14 are the numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 122. Hence 13 plus 14 is equal to 27 and 13 into 14 is equal to 182, which satisfy the questions given in the given above. Then we have solved question number 3. Now we will solve question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find two consecutive integers, sum of whose squares squares is 365. Here it is given that the two numbers is consecutive number. We know very well that the difference between the consecutive number is 1. If we write 8, the consecutive number will be 9. Difference will be how much? 1. If you write 11, the consecutive number will be 12. Consecutive number will be 12. So the difference will be 1. Now, let the first number is x. Then the second number will be, then second number will be x plus 1, because the difference between the two consecutive number is 1. Because the difference between the two consecutive number is 1. If you assume x is the first number, then second number will be x plus 1. Means here 1 more than the previous. Now, sum integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Sum of whose squares? First number's square will be x square into x plus 1 square. Sum of whose squares is 365. First number's square will be x square and second number's square will be x plus 1 whole square. Now the sum of whose squares is the sum of x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to how much? 365. So this will be x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 will be 0. Now 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 will be 364, will be 0. Now what will we have? We will have to do, we will have to factorize this. So we will multiply 364 into 2. 364 multiplied by 2, how much? 8, 728. Now factorize this. 728 to 182, 291, 713. These will be the factor. Now what we will have to do? I have to split 2x in such a way that the addition or subtraction will come up to 2x. What we will do? 13 to the 26 and 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28. Now we will write this 2x square plus 2 28x minus 26x minus 364 is equal to 0. Now we will take common, here we will take common 2x. However, how much there will be remainder? X plus 14. Now here we will take common 26, then it will be x plus 14, it will be 0. The factor will be x plus 14 and x plus 14 and 2x minus 26 will be 0. If x plus 14 will be 0, then x will be minus 14. This is the negative integers, so we will have not to consider this. Now if 2x minus 26 will be 0, then what will happen? 2x is equal to 26 and x will be 13. So this is the positive integers. This is the positive integers. Now the consecutive two numbers, one numbers we have found, that is 13, then second number will be 13 plus 1 will be 14. The consecutive number will be 13 and 14. 13 and 14. That will be the answer. Now you will verify this. 13 square is equal to 169 and 14 square is equal to 196. You will add 9 6 15 5 1 7 9 7 9 6 365, which will satisfy the result whose square is 365. The square of 13 is 169 and 14 square is 196 plus sum of these squares will 365. So this satisfies the final result.